Lenovo has launched Moto Z and Moto Z Play in India. Now both these smartphones run Android Marshmallow, are dual SIM variants, and will be launched on October the 17th at midnight. Now these smartphones will be available on Amazon India and Flipkart. The company has also launched a number of Moto mods to go with the devices, which connect to the rear of the smartphones via 16-dot connector interface. There is JBL Sound Boost, Moto Insta Share Projector, Hasselblad True Zoom Camera, Incipio Off-Grid Power Pack, and a number of style shells. The Moto Z has been priced at 39,999, whereas the Moto Z Play has been launched at 24,999. For more details on both these smartphones, log on to Gadgets360.com. Now Google's Pixel might be launching today, but the cat is already out of the bag thanks to all the leaks. Verizon has already revealed that there will be a blue color option with black and white ones. The listing was spotted by Gizmodo, and it seems like Pixel phones would include something called Google Magic. Now this could be a marketing ploy, or it could be a brand new feature we haven't heard about. Now these phones will be launched in 32GB and 128GB variants. Leak seems to be the flavor of the month, and Nokia's Android smartphone joins the list. Now D1C specs are listed on Geekbench, and it hints at a mid-range smartphone with a Qualcomm octa-core processor. Now this smartphone is clocked at 1.4 GHz with Adreno 505 GPU and 3GB of RAM. Nokia is expected to launch at least 3 smartphones in the final quarter running on Android Nougat. After Instagram, WhatsApp is customizing your pictures and videos with text and drawings, just like Snapchat. You can edit when you try to share a new photograph or a video. It has added zoom-in feature for recording videos, and you can switch between the 2 cameras while recording video. WhatsApp says that these new features will be available on Android and soon on iOS. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft Corp, has received $18 million for 2016. He received $5.66 million in salary and a bonus of $12 million stock award. His reported compensation fell 3.3% to $1.77 million in the software maker's latest fiscal year. That's all on this edition of 360 Daily. I'm Devika Chitnis for Gadgets 360. If you like our video, don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Facebook on Gadgets 360.